You know, we speak a lot about belief, and certainly when brands achieve belief with their customers, they also assume a leadership position in their category, and most importantly, they become relevant and important to the people who matter most, and that is their customers. But belief isn't something you just say. Belief isn't just something you think you'll get because you aspire to it. Belief is something you earn. You earn it in every way, every day. It's how you act, it's how you treat them, it's how your customer service looks after them when there's an issue. It's living up to what you say, not just saying things, it's what you do. Belief is something that transcends awareness. It transcends just telling people believe in me. Consumers like us as real people have to let you in. And the way that they let you in when it comes to belief is you have to earn it. You have to earn it every single day.